How to continue Netflix subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will learn how we can continue our Netflix subscription, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have an active Netflix subscription and then you want to continue it, you have your payment method added to your Netflix account before, what do? Well, the first thing you want to understand is that once you have activated your subscription, they're going to get automatically renewed each and every month, which means that you don't have to recharge or continue the subscription yourself. But if you had cancelled it, in that case you might want to renew the subscription again. So just to check this, all you are going to do is we're going to go and open the Netflix application here, but unfortunately the Netflix application does not have such type of option. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to open up our browser and go to the option known as netflix.com. so let me just go to netflix.com here and make sure that you're signed into the account. After that, tap the three lines option from the top left of the screen here. Once you tap the three lines option here, you just want to make sure to go to the option called account. Once you're under account, if your plan is not currently active, you'll find at the bottom, but if your plan is active, then you'll find the option called cancel membership. Now sometimes you want to continue the subscription, in that case your payment method could not be working fine. Just make sure to update your payment method to see if that helps you. But bottom line is that Netflix is going to renew itself each and every month, so you don't have to really do anything about it. The only thing over here is that if you have cancelled a membership and you want to continue it again. So this way you can continue your Netflix subscription. If this video helped you, of course, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.